Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hardtravel.com, your Norwegian Haven experts. And today I have the great pleasure of being back on board the beautiful Norwegian Encore. This is one of the 2-bedroom family villas. It's perfect for my family and so many of our guests. I'm going to show you why and review the amenities in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this wonderful suite or any room or suite with Regent 7 Seas, Oceania Cruises, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the experts at Hard Travel or book it right on hardtravel.com. We know we can craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, the Haven is truly an exceptional experience here on board. You'll have priority embark and disembark privileges throughout your entire cruise experience. You're also going to have access to the Haven restaurant for breakfast, lunch, and dinner each and every single day. It's a highly elevated, delicious dining experience. You'll find the crew is incredible there as well. And you can even dine right here in your suite from the Haven restaurant menu during breakfast, lunch, and dinner. In addition, you'll have access to the Haven Courtyard, the wonderful Horizon Lounge, the Haven Lounge and Bar, and the Haven Sun Deck. These are exclusive spaces just for guests that are booked in the Haven, and it really amplifies the experience, and you get priority around the ship in addition. Though for me, that 24-hour butler service really sets it apart. You're going to find that they're here to take care of the little details and the big details and everything in between right here in your suite. They're going to work together with the concierge you can find in the Haven Lounge to really take the entire experience to the next level. Now let's tour this beautiful suite. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, immediately to the side here, you're going to have the second bedroom. Now, what I appreciate about it is you can actually have up to 3 guests in here. You've got a Pullman style bed that comes down, you've got a sofa that they'll convert into a bed, and then a trundle down below as well, so you can have 3 single beds. For storage, you've got cupboards in the corner here. As I open this up, you're going to have hanging storage across. That'll pull down for more hanging storage. You've got those extra comfy bathrobes and slippers, and also the full-size golf umbrellas to use on board. Now here, directly across from the bed, you're going to find your flat panel TV, fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television or movies on demand. You've got a US plug and a European plug here and a small stool you can sit to get ready. You've got a large mirror there, and there's a hairdryer built in. To the side, you're going to find that you have chargers built into the lamps. I really do like that. A little bit of storage over here to the side. And now let's check out the second bathroom. Now, as we step inside, it's a good amount of space. You've got countertop space here, shelves down below, shelves up above as well. Those highly upgraded L'Occitane bath amenities. And I really appreciate the way the shower is designed with the bowed out shower door. I fit just fine in here. I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6". You've got your adjustable shower wand, those upgraded bath amenities, and nook for more. Now, as we step back into the living room space, as I mentioned, you've got your dining area right here. You can have every single meal right here if you'd like. Your butler can arrange for that, or you can just have a midnight snack from that expanded room service menu. Over here, you're going to find your butler's pantry. I love that you have an espresso coffee maker. Start my day at home with an Italian espresso. I love that I can do that here as well. You also have some upgraded tea options, and then down below, you'll have a mini fridge and plenty of storage. And then you'll find that you have all your cutlery, stemware, and glassware. As I mentioned, you can dine in your suite. Now, as we head further in, you're going to find your sofa here. Now, keep in mind that that does convert to additional bedding. This is where the 6th passenger would be able to sleep. You're going to have 2 US plugs to the side and side tables that can function as nightstands. And directly across, you'll find your second large flat panel TV. Also fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television or movies on demand. In the corner, you have your writing desk there, more US and European plugs, and a little bit more drawers for storage. You also have storage up above as well. Now, the balcony you can access from here, but I'm going to take you to the bedroom first. Now, as we step through into the bedroom, I'll point out one of my favorite features. It's the door. Love my friends and family, but having that separation of space goes so far. Now, as soon as you step in, you've got your lighting controls and separate temperature controls here. You've got storage on the far side. There's storage all behind here. You've got drawers as well. You'll find another flat panel TV, also interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television or movies on demand. You'll find your full king-size bed. It's extra comfortable, highly upgraded with upgraded pillows, linens, and of course mattress. And you've got nightstands on either side, and you'll find that you have USB chargers as well. Now, tucked into the corner, you're going to find your vanity. You've got another US and European plug. You've got a magnifying mirror and a large backlit mirror as well. You're going to find that you have a hairdryer underneath and more drawers for storage in addition to shelves. Over here, you'll find your closet. So as I open that up, you've got even more hanging storage across here, more of those comfy robes and slippers, shelves up and down, safe, perfect size for passport, wallet, or a small tablet. Now, as we step into the bathroom, you've got a door for privacy here as well. You've got a large double vanity, plenty of storage underneath with drawers and shelves, a bit more storage up above, and then those highly upgraded L'Occitane bath amenities. Water closet's tucked just behind, and I do love that you have a soaking tub. It's great if you're traveling with the family, or of course, if you want a bubble bath before you head out and have an incredible night on board, you can take advantage of that as well. Now you've got a really nice sized shower. You've got a large rainfall shower head up above. You also have the shower wand here, that full Swiss shower experience, and then you do have windows that look out to take advantage of the ocean views. They've got privacy curtains as well if you want to utilize those. So now we're out on your private balcony. This is the large balcony, so it extends a little bit further out here and wraps in front of the bathroom space. You're gonna find you have 2 large chairs here and a table. Perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, cocktail or glass of wine in the evening as you take advantage of the beautiful, ever-changing ocean views. Now, when you're ready to upgrade your experience and join the Haven as your residence at sea, make sure you reach out to the experts at Har Travel or book it right on hartravel.com. We know we can craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the Har Travel signature service every step of the way.